Hello, classics. I'm back-ish. I'm still getting there. Today's just gonna be a quick story time. Got a marionette. I'll show you that in a minute. Okay, guys, calm down. Story time. It turned out I didn't have a cold. This is my marionette, Rosie the raptor, and the kids go crazy over her. So I had an ENT infection, which is an ear, nose, and throat. So it was all up here. And thanks to it, I wound up with pink eye. So where have I been? Well, to this day, right now, as I'm talking, this eye has no contact lens in it. You can actually probably almost tell the indifference. This side has a contact, but I am not legal to drive right now because I can't put anything in my eye. I don't have any glasses because my insurance only covers either or, which is lovely. And I have been so sick. And today I had inflammation flaring up in my back from doing a lot of housework and stuff. I still have more to do. But because I've been cleaning and taking care of the house, even while sick, my back is killing me. To the point where, middle of having huge inflammation flare up to this morning, at 5 in the morning, I threw my back out on top of that, which is just fun. So I'm actually wearing the corset as a support today. So it's not super tight. It's not super tight. I can actually fit my hands in there. But it's just enough to give me the support right back here that I need. So that's happening. So I can't sit back or relax or slouch or anything right now. I'm still on the mend. This is doing fine. No problems there. It looks like it's going to need a little fill-in, and but that's no problem. It's been a minute, that's for sure. Feels like it. So, apologize for my extended absence. But I am getting better. When I no longer have an infection in my eyeball, which I should be done with that this weekend, I will start doing some makeup things. I still owe a couple people their requests for me to recreate, and I intend to do that just as soon as I'm not at risk of contaminating everything I own. That's what's going on here. So I hope everybody else is doing okay. I hope you're all having a good time, enjoying your summer, because aside from all of this, I am enjoying my summer. We've been going places and hanging out and just having a good time. I still love you, always thinking of you. Have a really great day. Don't let anyone get you down, and don't let anyone dull your sparkle. And remember, do it with passion or not at all.
I'm going home. I'll never stop. Hey, Ma.